Now, the interesting thing is this lake is known to be the subject of a lot of myths of the ancient tribes living around here. There's said to be a lake monster living right in the middle of there. Now, I don't know if there's a lake monster, and frankly, I don't want to find out today. Maybe in a future episode, but we're not looking for a lake monster, we're looking for the green buffalo. And it doesn't look like he's around here. So I'm going to venture back into the forest and see if we can find any more signs that a green buffalo is around here.